Guys, it's finally here. The best budget speed cube of 2020. It's finally here. The Moyu RS3M 2020. Guys, this has been such an incredible cube. Every review about it, you go on YouTube, you go on Google, just see all the reviews about it, and it is known as the best budget cube. And it's finally here with me. I bought it, guys. My first magnetic cube as well. Open this up. Here is the box, guys. I'm so excited. So, let's open it up. Oh god. This is so exciting. Oh my god. Here it is. The accessories box here. Let's open this completely opened, guys. So first let's take a look at the accessories box. Let's keep some suspense for the cube. Let's open this up. Okay, some tools in here. Let's just get it out. A screwdriver, nice. Okay. Oh, the dual adjustment tool. So by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you, but the Moyu RS3M 2020 right here is the only budget cube which has the dual adjustment core system. And some cards from Moyu. Nice. And an instruction on everything. We'll just save this here. And now for the cube itself, guys. It came with a stand of its own, the Moyu stand, nice. And it's wrapped in plastic, which shows the premium quality of this cube. Let's open this up. And I'm having a hard time opening it. It is, guys, a little satisfying shot for you guys. Here it is.
Now this is satisfying.
Here it is, guys, my first magnetic cube. Let's do some turns on this. Oh, magnets are noticeable, guys. Magnets are noticeable. Wow, this is so smooth, guys. Wow. Look, guys, the magnets are quite noticeable. Just let go there. It just turns for me. Let's do a fast algorithm on this, like a T-perm or something. Nice. Magnets are noticeable, but they are quite on the light side. Not too strong. Let's try E-perm on this. Oh, I'm not used to magnets, guys. I'm sorry. Nice. E-perm. H-perm. H-perm can be done really fast on this. I just don't want to stop turning it. It's so smooth. The turning on it is buttery smooth, dude. And let's try a really strong turn. It turns twice for me. And because of the magnets, it's snapping into the place. Look, guys. Because of the magnets, it's snapping into the place. Now, guys, let me show you what this is for. So if you don't know what a dual adjustment core system is, let me show you. Let me just pop this center cap off. There it is, guys. On a normal 3x3, there is just the screw, but you see that blue thing there? That's called the dual adjustment system. And what you do is take this tool, just put that in there. I don't know how to put it. Yeah, there it is. And then you turn. Can you hear the snap, guys? And that returns it back. Look, guys, I'll show you the snap. Just like this, guys. So satisfying, guys. So satisfying. So I think there are 8 types of adjustments that you can do, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then on the 9th snap, there is a big snap and then it returns back to 1. So guys, you need to turn this counterclockwise. Yeah, counterclockwise. There's the big snap. And you know, the higher the setting is, the more stable your cube is. So it won't be any, slower or anything, but it will be very, very stable. So I right now have it on the first setting, which is the fastest setting. Let's try it on all the settings. So guys, I tried it on all the settings and the setting I prefer is probably 3 or 2. So I'm just gonna keep it on that setting because in the first setting, the magnets don't make a difference because it's way too fast. And that's why, and also the magnets are quite weak on this cube. So it does not make any difference. So I'm just going to keep it on the third setting. Guys, let's now check the corner cutting of this cube. Okay, normal corner cutting's good. 45 degrees. Yeah, it's good, but it's not as effortless as any before 45. Before 45, it can cut pretty well. Now let's see the reverse corner cutting. Wow. Okay, that's quite impressive. Not here. Okay, that's a bit overshoot. But it can cut pretty well. Guys, also I love the matte finish on this cube. Really good matte finish. Now, if I compare something like the Maelong to it, look at this, guys. How much light does it reflect? So much light. It's more of a glossy finish than a matte. But on the Moyu RS3M, it's a matte finish. Look, guys, it does not reflect it like the Maelong does. So guys, let's go ahead and do a solve. Okay, good cross. Let's start. Okay, this one goes back there. This one goes in here. This one goes here. This OLL and an R apron. Nice cube, I like it. Really smooth feeling. So guys, that is it for today's review of the Moyu RS3M 2020. I really recommend this cube. And if you didn't understand the dual adjustment core system thing, then you can always check the pamphlet that comes with it. It's a really great cube, really buttery and smooth turning. So I really recommend you buy it. So please smash that like button if you enjoyed this review and subscribe to the channel to support it. So that's it for today. Bye guys!